This example is asking us to graph the line 5x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now remember, you can either graph a line by finding the intercepts. In this case, that's not going to work so well because your intercepts, if you try it, you're going to see that they're not actually, one of them is a whole number, one of them is not a whole number, and you can't really graph a non-whole number. And the other way is to isolate y, and that's actually my preferred method. So I'm going to try to get y by itself, and we'll put it in y equals mx plus b form. So the first thing I do is I'm going to subtract the 5x from both sides. So on the left-hand side, I just have 2y. On the right-hand side, I get negative 5x plus 12. Notice again, I don't write it as 12 minus 5x because I want it in mx plus b form. You want the x to come first. Next, I'm going to divide each piece of this equation by 2, and I get y is equal to negative 5 over 2x plus 6. So now I have two very important pieces of information. The first one is I know what the slope is, right? This is my slope here, the coefficient of x. And the second thing that I know is that my y-intercept, my b, is 0, 6. So let's go over here, let's sketch a graph. And let's take a look. We have 0, 6 as our b, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to plot that point. And our slope is negative 5 over 2. So first of all, notice the slope is negative, which means that the line should be going in this direction. You should always have this in your head because then you can sort of check yourself when you're done to make sure that you did the right thing. So negative 5 over 2 means I'm going to go down 5. That's negative. But the 2, I'm going to move to the right. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and notice this is my line. It is a negative slope. Sorry, it's a little wiggly, but that is the line of my equation. Now remember, when it comes to slopes, I could have also gone in the opposite direction because I could have gone up and to the left, meaning 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, I could have gone that way. So whenever you are trying to graph the slope of the line, you can go either down or you can go up. It doesn't really matter. You're going to end up back on the same exact line.